Done.
Done. There's your keys.
Thank you.
Open the door for you.
I've been living in my Mercedes Sprinter camper van now for just over 2 years, and during that period my van has gone through many transformations. I've remodelled the kitchen, I've changed the seating, the overhead cupboards, and also I've done lots of different experiments with lots of different products. During that time it's taken a bit of a beating and it's this reason that I like this style of rustic camper van build. I mean, look at my cupboards, they have taken a bit of a knock over the years, the paint's worn off, and down here around my fireplace you can see the edge of here, the paint has all been knocked off, and even when I modified my kitchen slightly, you can see there's big chunks of wood missing, and down here this piece of wood hasn't even got any paint on it. So because I'm going to the Overland show this weekend, and I know that some of you guys are going to be at the Overland show as well, and you're going to want to see inside my van, I thought it's only too right I'll get my paint and paintbrush out, give my van a little bit of a touch up. So that's what I'm up to today, and at the same time I'm also helping Rebecca with her van. Let's take a look at Rebecca's new van. I'm quite excited about this because it's going to be a whole new project coming up here on my channel. And here it is. Here's Rebecca and her new van.
Hello.
She's busy at the moment marking out on the floor with masking tape.
I've literally just finished, so you can come and have a look if you want.
Oh really? That was good timing then, wasn't it? Take a look at the inside of her new van. Look at that. I'll go around the back, it's probably a better angle. So Rebecca ordered this van just under a year ago, and it arrived the day before my birthday, and I was like, oh thank you Becky, is this my new birthday present? Unfortunately she said no. So here we go, show us your new layout.
So this is going to be the bench area, which is why it's marked with a B, and it's going to be an L-shaped bed. It's going to have a pull-out section so that we've got somewhere to sleep, so that's why I've marked it PO for pull-out, right? So the pull-out is going to go like so. Under this corner here is probably going to be where I put the toilet. I'm going to have a kitchen area here with worktop. This is going to all be overhead storage and a big cupboard that's built around my massage couch. So I'm planning on either having it vertical here in a hidden storage cupboard with storage around so that you can access above, so that when I'm stood at the back of the van the couch can then come out this way and it won't be disturbing any of the internal storage. Then the other idea is to have a low kitchen at the back here so that I can cook from outside and have pull-out drawers out towards you guys. And then behind me we're going to be taking this bulkhead out, and then we've got 2 captain's chairs which I'm going to be putting on a swivel bracket, so they're going to swivel, and then potentially, if we can work it, a Laguna table each with swivel table, so that we can both sit separately, do our work, do our editing, whatever we need to do, and potentially have somebody else sat on the bench inside here, or we can just have space from each other if we need it. So then hopefully I will have at least this amount of square to just be able to sit on the floor, ponder life as looking out of the window, and yeah, I'm just trying to get the best of everything so that it works. So from the bed area, we're going to be taking this rib out and this rib out and putting in a huge skylight. That's the idea there. Then moving forwards, the front area of the roof is going to have the solar panels on it, and enough solar panels to power the 3,000 or 4,000 watt inverter that I want, and with the lithium ion batteries, LiPo 4, so that I can have this van purely running on electric. I'm not going to do gas this time at all, so I need to make sure I've got enough surface area on the roof to cater for the solar panels. And the final feature that I really love about this van, and that I ordered especially, is this amazing tailgate. So that means, again, why I would like the kitchen at the back here is I would love to be able to stand outside and cook. You've got the option of putting on a tailgate awning as well. And it also means the other reason why I do want the kitchen out the back is because when I'm working with the massage couch and I'm working out the back here with the covering, I can access to work with the hot stones and the water and everything when I've got my massage set up. So it's got 3 purposes: me living, Mel joining me, and work. So it's going to be a tough build to get all of those features in, but I think we can do it, can't we?
Just about.
Just about, yeah. So wish us luck, but yeah, that's the plan so far. So if you've got any suggestions of how I can improve the layout, please do let us know. We'll be really interested.
So there you go. This is Becky's new van and our new project.
Yeah, can't wait.
So I'm going to leave Becky to carry on planning out her van and trying to visualise how she's going to fit all that stuff in here. And I'm going to get back to painting my van to make it look nice and pretty for this up and coming Overlander show at the Stratford-upon-Avon racecourse. Hopefully we'll see you there. It's going to look so nice when it's done. It's going to look nice and fresh. Fresh as a daisy. Quite glad I kept this paint. I'm not going to worry about the dents in the wood, I'm just going to paint it. Wow, it's looking so fresh now, look at that. I'm really pleased with this. All along there I've painted, those doors look brand new again, and look at this, absolutely fantastic. Looking really fresh, getting ready for the Stratford-upon-Avon. What's it called?
We've got the 2 front seats. Did I already say that on
Yeah,
the
this is that. Getting ready for the Stratford-upon-Avon. Getting ready for the Stratford-upon-Avon. Avon? Calling?
And we are going to go in, get the keys, and have a tour around the bus before, well, tour around the van before we
Becky's
head off.
got a new van, she's a little bit excited.
Yeah.
No,
not
that's
mine.
not it.
No. It's not here. Maybe they haven't even got it.
Getting ready for the Stratford-upon-Avon Overlander show. I'll see you there. Bye.